Language learning is not only a great exercise for our brain and a good way to make friends, sometimes it can also be really important.
¡Fuego, fuego! ¡Alex, corre! ¡Hay un incendio! ¡Se está quemando todo! ¡Hay que huir!
That's Tony, he speaks Spanish. I never have any idea what he's saying. Not now, Tony, we're recording! As I was saying, sometimes learning a language can be the difference between life and death. So today, we're going to look at 5 apps to help you learn a foreign language. Can you smell burning? Busse is an app that applies modern language learning techniques to a more traditional class-based structure. It divides its course into different lessons, each focusing on a different theme. Each lesson includes vocabulary, pronunciation, and examples with explanations. To top things off, Busse offers quizzes to test your knowledge and the ability to create flashcards for reference. Of course, one of the biggest obstacles to learning a foreign language is remembering all of the vocabulary, which is where memorize comes in. First, you set a target for learning 5, 15, or 30 words every day. Memorize then presents you with the words, their pronunciations, and examples of their usage. But the app's focus is on rooting the word permanently in your head, which it does by constantly feeding your memory through repetition. To learn a language, it's important to use it, preferably with a native speaker, which is exactly the service Hello Talk offers. It's basically WhatsApp for language learners. All you have to do is set your native language, the language you want to learn, and your interests. Then the app will find people for you to chat to. You can use text, audio messages, and voice calls to communicate, so you never have to feel forced into chatting if you're embarrassed. Hello Talk even features an internal translator for when you get stuck, and group chat. Fluent You is perhaps the most entertaining way to learn a foreign language. Just pick a language, then sit back and watch videos recorded in the dialect of your choice. When playing the video, you can see each word written on screen, allowing you to read them and see how they're pronounced by a native speaker simultaneously. Fluent You also lets you reference the meaning of words in-app to help you review and memorize them. The Duolingo app, in conjunction with the online service, is perhaps the best way to learn a second language. With Duolingo, you can learn any one of its 15 languages for free, starting at a novice level and moving all the way through to its advanced classes. What makes it so good is how it gamifies learning, converting exercises into bite-sized games for you to enjoy and earn points to raise your total score. All the while focusing on developing your skills with tasks like pronunciation, listening comprehension, grammar, and vocabulary retention. You see, all you need to learn a foreign language is a mobile phone and a lot of perseverance. Next week, I'll be back with apps that change your voice. If you have any recommendations, be sure to let us know in the comments. Until then, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.